Today's vlog is about the Dapitan City. For those who missed the previous video, we booked a tour package. It's our second day here and this place is seriously underrated. Hi guys, this is our second day of our Zamboanga tour and currently we are preparing for Dakak. Basta kay na beach ko na sa Zamboanga, Boracay. Grabe, kaduhan ako napakog guys. Napakog ano kaduha, grabe kalig ko nakahoy. Feel ako kana liki ako uyo. Good morning. Yeah. Og this here tamang laag sa atong first destination, mamahaw sa ta. Sa dalan, nakakita mi og gitawag na tong GRD Karinderya. Nangaon mi din hiya og sa kadaghan-daghan nila og mga putahe ang amo gipili kay egg and rice for breakfast guys. Ang rason kay kami amo pamilya dili mi kaadto hilig mo breakfast. Ug ang uban gani kay tunga-tunga na kay di na mahor. We are now done having our breakfast here at pagkatapos na tog kaon, diretso na ta uwi na tayo dugayan kay ang oras nagdagan. Ug ang una natong hapitan kay ang City Hall ng Dapitan. And we are here sa City Hall nila guys. Muna ito nakitaan last night. Nagrabe ka na daw kagana og lights, di ba?
Genuine working.
Very pure, very versatile.
Morning ila lugar din here. So I thought dili ta makanaog din hiya. Pero here we are. Morning ato bus actually guys. So binhata man na kay sa atong tour. And ang mga uban tao kay tuwa pa dito Ano po yung sa kabas guys? I think yes, mo siguro ng amo pagkatapos kinis lang nga grupo. And kini lain po din sila. Kinis sila din hiya nga bus.
Hi!
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
So these are the people we are going with. 2 buses and basig mag-pick up ra kan siguro ni ngabot katulong nga bus.
Wala ko yung dagat-dagat ulo.
Right here I just got my ticket guys. Bus or van transfer, dinner na putay kuan, all access unlimited rides. JFL accommodation, so dito ata nagstay. Lunch, Rizal Shrine, bus or van transfer na pod. We are going to Dakak, Punto del Desierto. 1, 2, 3, Spartan.
Spartan. Alagi naka-crocs din eh.
Slipperies man mo. Mga pa-araway, mga para-away, waya ko nung naka-crocs. So nakagunit nag-tickets tanan and now we are going to Dakak. This one. Manakit Daghan ka dito tao sa bus mo nang mga turakan kuan is mo sakyanan na kang gadto which is the original plan. Next up we have is the Dakak Beach Resort. It is an about 20-minute ride from the city. Yes, medyo lajo, pero I'm telling you, worth it kadyo. Dalan pa lang dako nagpanalo. And we are finally here guys. Welcome to Dakak. Yes, grabe kagana. Kita nato nga ang place is very well maintained. Ang mga gusto maligo. Ang mga gusto mag picture ilagaag, pwede na gihapon. So, morning among bus dapat pero nadala mo mga among pan sa kanan. So ano yung ilagay niya guys? Grabe kanindot sa ilang lugar. As you can see, waya pagalitan na kasi dito nakagawas kasi naapatas sa entrance. Pero gisugat na tao. Grabe kagana na. Cool. Wow, gana pagdalo. Ang among time din hiya is from 8:30 until 11 ra. Maunang kami pod nga pamilya, wala na pod naghuna-huna nga magdala og baro pang kaliguay. Kaya gamay ra man pod ang oras. Pero I'm telling you, bisan pag sa pagbisita na mo din hiya nga walay liguay, worth it na kayo. Og ni-live up jud siya sa iyang pangalan nga The Mini Boracay of Dapitan. Grabe kalingaw dili siya nga grabe kalingaw. Nay mga kuan din ha.
Ta dito ta nita.
Rooms.
Bakto sa dito ta.
Weather is cooperating with us today.
Waking up to the sound of waves, sunshine, kisses and golden rays.
With you every morning feels so bright. You bring color to my life.
We dance on sandy shores hand in hand, under the sky where dreams never end.
Your laughter is the melody I crave. In your love I find my way.
Your laughter is the melody I crave. In your love I find my way.
You make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms I find my peace. With you my world is so sweet.
Through the highs and lows you're always near. In your eyes my path is clear.
Every moment with you is a gift. With you I feel uplifted. No matter where the journey takes us, in your love I find my trust. With you each day is a dream come true. With you my sky is always blue. You make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms I find my peace. With you my world is so sweet.
And lows you're always near. In your eyes my path is clear.
Every moment with you is a gift. With you I feel uplifted. You make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms I find my peace. With you my world is so sweet.
And lows you're always near. In your eyes my path is clear.
Every moment with you is a gift. With you I feel uplifted. You make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms I find my peace. With you my world is so sweet. Smile with every beat. In your arms I find my peace. With you my world is so sweet.
Back to the biatch. Tira, ako yung job.
Ang Dacac Beach Resort kaysa sa mga pinakanindot na experiences namo sa among Dapitan City Tour. After the Dacac Beach Resort, let us visit a portion of the Dapitan City's history. I welcome you to the Dapitan Rizal Shrine. Nata karon sa Rizal Shrine, guys. Kisos sa mga jazz ng ice cream.
Ay!
Pila man na, bossing?
50 lang kaning black na gold, tag 35 kaning white na gold.
Kung say flavor?
Durian and mango float.
Ako gipili karon kay mango float. Mura ka dito sa mango float.
Sila ang eh.
The Rizal Shrine in Dapitan City, Philippines is a memorial to Dr. Jose Rizal, the country's national hero. It's a major historical landmark and one of the most visited historical sites in the Philippines. The Rizal Shrine features a replica of Rizal's house, clinic, and the kitchen. Of course, the stone where he wrote a poem, huts where his patients stayed, the waterworks he built, a two-story museum with his things, clothes, furnitures, and pictures. A monument with a quote from one of his letters. It is located in the city of Dapitan on the island of Mindanao, 2.4 kilometers away from the downtown Dapitan.
Tagsuyod nila ang ice cream, bawal ra ba?
Kuya! Tagsuyod sa ila yung baba. Labito din, nagkaunt-count ko sila yung bino. Man has no better weapon than his intelligence. Tumaw na si Jose Rizal, guys. Nasa jo. Kuha na pa. Nay. Kaya plywood sa una. Joke.
Ano? Ano na isa? Ano? Dito rin na yun.
This side. Going. Manggawas ata kay mo ato na ta kung asa ta mag-lunch. Yaman ko gutom. Murag ganahan na ko mag-lunch. To guys, pero daghan pa tayo pwede laagon. Ato ta sa Fantasy World yun malingaw ani. Naghamagoy matuan diri. Kani nga side guys, yun nga part sa dapitan. Din nga ani, tawagan na. Ha, nitugdang si Rizal. Singkura. Sir ba? Singkura sir. Oh, salamat. Uy. Kailangan pa mo na i-charge ano sir? I-charge na. So, murag dire ang ato lunch and this is also the Fantasyland, right?
After the Punto del Desembarco, we are heading to our lunch to prepare for our next activity this afternoon. The Disneyland of the Pitan City, the glorious Fantasyland.
And now naka-change out
Which we'll see on my next
we
vlog.
are going to
See you there.
be